ready to turn your mobile game idea into a reality on the Google Play Store. First, explore game development apps right on your Android device. Search the Play Store for options like Pocket Code or simple coding apps. These can help you start understanding game logic and design on the go. For more complex games, consider using a cross-platform engine like Unity or Godot. These are typically used on a computer, but often have mobile apps that let you view your project. This means you can work on the go, then test on your Android. Next, design your game. Outline your game's concept, mechanics, story, if you have one, and art style. Sketch out your levels, characters, and user interface. Every game starts with a plan. Now, create your assets. This includes character designs, background art, sound effects, and music. There are many mobile apps designed to help create these game assets. Time to test. Test. Thorough testing on your Android device is key to finding bugs and ensuring smooth gameplay. Get feedback from friends and family. Finally, prepare your game for the Google Play Store. You'll need a developer account, compelling store listing with screenshots and a description, and an understanding of Google's policies. While the main development usually happens on a computer, these mobile-friendly tools can kickstart your journey to becoming a successful mobile game developer. Get creating.